Okay, guys, I'm so excited about Lauren's actions. I've showed you how to use it on the walls, but wait till you see it on the beanbag. My client actually asked me if I could do something for the beanbag. While she liked the simplicity of the image, as do I, she wanted to know if I could add something a little bit more. She knows I do a lot with AI, so she asked if I could do something with AI, but I can do one better because I can use Lauren's floral actions. So we're going to go to the actions and you'll see that she has add floral to beanbag fabric. So we're going to hit play. And then as always, we're going to look for something pretty that's going to go on the background. And I really like this one here. I've used it before on a maternity, but I think it'll work well with this because of the space in here. So we're going to hit play. Now I'm going to expand it to the width of my backdrop and then slide it down a little bit because I remember the baby's face is around here. Now I can adjust it. Now when I double click, you're going to see that it looks like it goes away. And this is where I was confused for a minute. I was like, oh no, it's not going to work. So I couldn't figure it out. So you take the brush and all you do is paint it on. Now it's set for low opacity, so I'll bring up the opacity a little bit. But look at that. Isn't that amazing? Like only Lauren could create this. So I can go darker, I can go lighter. Just get it all painted however I want. And then if I go on the dress, all I have to do is erase it and just take it off where I don't want it. And if I want to remove a whole flower, I can just go back there. That way it's not interfering with the dress. Isn't that fun? How long did that take me? Hardly any time at all. I encourage you to check out Lauren's floral actions at lsp-actions.com.